Hello my beautiful and handsome people, welcome to our personality test vlog where we shall look at what your sleeping position reveals about you and your personality trait. Are you ready to come along with me? If yes, if you're new here, subscribe and join this amazing community, okay? And much love to our returning subscribers. Have you ever asked yourself this question? Why do I love to sleep on my stomach? Why do I love to sleep sideward? Why do I love to sleep with my pillow? Why do I love to sleep backward? Today, all these questions will be answered as we will tell you your personality trait based on your favorite sleeping position as your psychology is concerned. As we all know, our subconscious mind is the powerhouse that influences how we function throughout the day, how we walk, what coffee we order to drink, and how we sleep, etc. So let's get started. If you sleep on your back, let's see what it says. If you're that type that sleeps on your back, then your sleeping personality says that you love being the center of attention. Wow! You are an optimistic individual who would enjoy the company of like-minded people. You have this boldness in you in front of people. You do not engage in gossip talks or things that do not meet your standards or do not have your back. Your type is the one that one would most likely hear the truth from you than some sugar-coated lie. You work so hard to achieve your goals. One thing that I like about people who sleep with their back on the bed is that you live in a well-structured manner with a success-driven mentality. You enjoy your time alone while lying comfortably in bed and visioning your plans to see it a reality. Finally, they are found to be open-minded and seekers of experience compared to other sleeping styles. Are you one of those that love sleeping on their back? Do let us know in the comment section below. Secondly, let's look at those who sleep on the sides. What does their sleeping position say about their personality trait as psychology is concerned? If you are one of that type that sleeps on your side, then definitely you are calm, reliable, easygoing, active, goal-getter, social butterfly kind of person. You are always looking forward. You are not regretful of the past. You are not scared of the future like others do. You are highly adaptable. No matter what the changes or situation are, it doesn't affect you that much. You are the type that is highly aware of yourself. That is, you know your good or bad aspects, and for that, it's difficult for someone to offend you so easily. You are always putting on a smile in your face. Even when things are hard, you are still smiling. You are slow to make up your mind. Once you do that, then you will stick to your own decision and opinion made, okay? Finally, those who sleep on their sides are very nurturing and caring. Are you one of them? Let us know below in the comment section. The third position is known as fetal. If you are that type that love to sleep in a fetal position, then know that you seek protection, you crave to be understood, and you long to be cared for by others. This position of sleeping is similar to curling up like a baby, and it helps you disconnect from worldly problems. You are a guided person who does not easily open up. You have difficulties trusting people. You portray a very tough look externally, but deep inside you, you are very emotional and weak. You are most comfortable around your family members or people who played a major role in your life and upbringing. You are that shy type, very sensitive as well, very innocent and so much forgiving with a clear conscience. You also enjoy doing things that do not require you being around too many people. One thing about you is that you are too emotional and anxious, and that is just who you are and you alone. The last but not the least is people who sleep on their stomach. Wow, let's hear what it says. If you sleep on your stomach, then your sleeping personality trait says that you are a strong-willed person, a risk taker, an adventurer, high-spirit person, a problem solver. You so much love to sleep for complete 8 hours in order to stay energetic and also recharge. You are a sociable person who sometimes is cold or rude. You always avoid confrontation. You love being cherished. You have a strongly warm vibe. When you are at your best mood, you are your worst self-critic, but hearing it from others makes you uncomfortable. At times, you tend to be compulsive, impulsive, rigid, and anxious. One thing too is that you lack self-confidence and inhabit insecurity. Are you one of them that enjoys sleeping on the stomach? Please let us know in the comment section below, okay? Finally, we have starfish position, which reveals that those who sleep in this position with arms and legs outstretched, they are good listeners who value friendship and do not prefer to be center of attention. Wow! They are mostly found lending an ear to someone sharing their trouble. They are an amazing kind of people that people love to be around them. Hence, we come to the end of this as sleeping position test personality trait. Did you enjoy discovering your sleeping personality type? We grow as individuals, we learn new things about ourselves, and we change mindsets. You may also find yourself sleeping in a mix of 2 or more sleeping positions. This may only indicate that you embody traits of different sleeping personality types. Thank you for watching. Please stay tuned with us for more of such personality tests, okay? Also share the video out and give it a thumbs up, subscribe, and from me to you all is love. Remain healthy and joyous. Bye for now.